you people that are looking for a spouse, pray. Seek the Lord. Serve the Lord. Don't get overly caught up in, I've got to find somebody. I got to go out of my way to make this happen. Trust the Lord. Pray. Seek him and serve the Lord, and allow the Lord to begin to bring all these things into play as he so wonderfully will. Boaz hasn't been seeking this, right? Boaz has been such a saintly dude. He's respected Ruth. He's blessed her, provided for her. He's not trying to make any advances. He's not seeking her. He's just serving the Lord faithfully. And the Lord is the one that's bringing all these things together. Pray about it. And if you wake up in the middle of the night with a lady sitting at the side of your bed, then really, really pray. And maybe call 911 too. That's maybe there's some issues going on there.